Abangirana kita
Ngoja usikate. Sawa. Actually, open the Kisii Haters.
Siku ya leo tarehe 22 mwezi huu ni wa 7 mwaka wa 2023.
My name is Willie Kimani. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Naivas Supermarket. We are here very happy. The journey to a 100 store. No other store in Kenya has actually been able to do this, or other retailer. We are quite happy that within that whole foray, Kisii and store is one of our key pillars. We have a very strong store that we have actually opened here today. We are also going to be opening up in Kakamega. We have Malindi coming up possibly in the next 1 week. We have 2 more stores, and ideally we should be able to actually get to a 100 stores within the next 2 months. This is a big milestone for Kenya, for Kenyan retailers. Very many people actually said Kenyans can't do X, Y, Z, but here we are, Kenyans, making sure that we actually lead the retail foray, that indeed local bread supermarket chains can be able to make it. It has not been easy, and especially with the current macroeconomic environment, where of course prices have actually been going up, inflation, our baskets have been reducing, and that's why we have been coming up with clear initiatives like Kikapu Kibonge. We've been coming up with a lot of key pointers, and more importantly, working very closely with the suppliers to be called what is our gatekeeper position. And the gatekeeper position is to ensure that people just don't change prices for how we actually able to protect the customer, and we shall continue doing that. If that means less pocket within, less money in the bank for us, we are okay with it, because ultimately we are a customer-centric business, and we shall continue being the same for up to the future. Very happy that this store is different. It's quite big, it's quite large. The Kisii and the greater community around have always asked for something bigger, something that can actually be able to accommodate them. And we have always had other competitors who had bigger stores. They might not be here today, but in a deal sense, we have learned from the mistakes that they actually made, and we have now come up with a proper store that you can actually say has the right items, is the right space, has proper parking, is next to the market, and everything all encompassed. We have something that we can actually say Kisii imefika, and we are happy because we have actually stuck with the greater Kisii community has accepted us all the way from when we had our first store. This is 14 years in Kisii, and finally we now have a big store. We greatly appreciate that, and we're looking forward to actually growing our partnership and our footprint, working closely with our landlord, our retail space partners, our customers, our suppliers, and everybody else, and making sure that our staff are at the center of it all. Thank you very much.
CEO of MySpace Properties, the provider of space for Naivas for many branches. Actually, we are today, this is the 96th Naivas opening. In those 96, we participated almost in all of them. And today we are very happy to be here in Kisii. Ama Swahili? We are very happy to be here in Kisii, and we are the part of the development and management of this mall. So we are here appealing for more people to come to this part of the country. You know, many people focus on Nairobi and think money is in Nairobi only, but you'll be shocked what's happening in Kisii. This part of the world, it has many clients, it has money flowing. In fact, in Kisii, we have dollars. So if you want to come to make dollars, come to Kisii and open your business here. Here at this mall, we have space for other small businesses like a salon, we have kinyosi, we have laundry, we have pharmacists. So please talk to our ground team here. Contact MySpace Properties. We'll be able to provide you space for your business to grow in Kisii, the land of Mandisi, the land of the dollars.
Moko na sisi ndio tumeleta Naivas hapa Kisii, na tumekaribisha customer wote. Kwa sasa Naivas wamesema wako na kila kitu, na vile wali promise tunaona ndivyo. sababu tumeona vitu hatujawahi ona Kisii tena. Hii ndio moja ya Naivas kubwa kabisa nchini, na sisi kama Wakisii tunajivunia kwa kupata investment kubwa kama hii kuja huku kwetu. Asanteni sana.
Chairman, nashukuru sana kwa sababu ya siku ya leo kuwa na Naivas. Ilianza kama ikiwa ndogo, lakini leo hii tunaona upanuzi mkubwa sana wa Naivas ambao ni mall kubwa kabisa, na tunashukuru kwa sababu Naivas kufikiria kuleta mall kubwa kama hii ya kufanya biashara na kuchukua wafanyakazi kutoka Kisii wengi sana. Na pia nataka kusema kama mchungaji ya kwamba tungetaka kuona amani katika taifa letu na pia katika Kisii yetu, ndio business kama hii inaweza fanya vizuri. Na pia tunaomba business communities wengine ambao wako na moyo, Kisii bado ni kubwa, mumekaribishwa muche muinvest Kisii. Kisii ni mahali pana utulivu na imekabiliana na kaunti zingine kama Nyamira, Migori pamoja na Umabei. Tunawaomba wakaaji wetu tupende Naivas kwa sababu bei yao iko sawa. Nimeanza nao tangu walianza mpaka wa leo hii, tunaona tukibarikiwa tukiwa na Naivas. Asanteni sana.